Hello, friends. In this series, we basically trying to learn about linear neural networks. So, before neural networks, we need to understand that what is linear regression, what is linear regression implementation, what is the softmax regression, what is the image classifications, and so on and so forth, and then at last we understand and have an extensive hands-on on linear neural networks. So before go with this, let's first understand what is the basic of linear regression is. So linear regression may be both the simplest and most popular among the standard tools to regression. Dating back to the dawn of the 19th century, linear regression flows from a few simple assumptions. First, we assume that the relationship between the independent variables x and the dependent variable y is linear. That is, that y can be expressed as a weighted sum of the elements in x, given some noise on the observations. Second, we assume that any noise is well behaved following the Gaussian distribution. To motivate this approach, let us start with a running example. Suppose that we wish to estimate the prices of house based on their area and age. To actually develop a model for predicting house prices, we would need to get our hands on a data set consisting of cells for which we know the cell's price, area, and age of each home. In the terminology of machine learning, the data set is called a training data set or training set, and each row, that is the data corresponding to one cell, is called an example or data point or data instance or even sample. The thing we are trying to predict, that is price, is called a level or target variable. The independent variables, that is age and area, upon which the predictions are based, are called features or covariates. Typically, typically we use n to denote the number of examples in our data set. We index the data examples by I, denoting each input as this formula, where you can see that this is the formula where we can say as an input, that is the input variables, you can say. And based on this variable, that is the input variables, the corresponding output is yi, which we denote as a small y bracket I. Okay, so this is the very basic thing, and and we will learn this type of things step by step, very quickly but consistently. So I'm not giving you the all details in one go. Please continue to watch my upcoming videos, and it's not more than 5 minutes. Spend your 5 minutes, in your valuable 5 minutes every day, or every day of whenever you get time. You can go through your mobile or laptop or desktop, and you can understand, learn, and grow. So the idea behind uh, clicking these videos or the contents in a very short term, so that uh, minimize the time investment and maximize the knowledge of the viewers. Thank you, guys. Thank you all.